latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg hit out at the Trump administration. He criticized President Donald Trump's handling of the COVID-19 pandemic. Zuckerberg said he was disappointed by the administration's response to the pandemic. Mark Zuckerberg expressed his disappointment over Trump's handling of the pandemic in a live-streamed video chat with Dr. Anthony Fauci. Dr. Anthony Fauci is US's leading infectious diseases expert. At this point, it is clear that the trajectory in the United States is significantly worse than many other countries, and that our government and this administration have been considerably less effective in handling this. Zuckerberg said he believed the resurgence of the coronavirus in the United States in July could have been avoided. He expressed disappointment in the fact that the citizens of the United States still question practices like wearing a mask. It's really disappointing that we still don't have adequate testing, that the credibility of our top scientists like yourself and the CDC are being undermined, and until recently, parts of the administration were calling into question whether people should even follow basic best practices like wearing a mask. The Facebook boss said he believed the country was in need of a reset. But he also praised Dr. Fauci for his work. As someone running a business, I believe the best way to improve both public health and economic opportunity in this country is to focus on beating this virus first. I'm grateful for the leadership and dedication of Dr. Fauci, who has been working tirelessly under very difficult conditions to help us all navigate this. Zuckerberg's comments came just a day after Facebook announced it would launch a feature to debunk coronavirus myths. On the other hand, on the live stream, Dr. Fauci did not criticize the Trump administration but urged people of the country to take the situation seriously. We should be looking at public health measures as a vehicle or a gateway to opening the country, not as the obstacle in the way, but as the gateway. You have got to do it correctly. You can't jump over steps, which is very perilous when you think about rebound. The proof of the pudding is, look what has happened. There really is no reason that we are having 40, 50, 60,000 other than we are not doing something correctly. The people of the country have to have responsibility for themselves and also a societal responsibility that if you are getting infected, it's not just you in a vacuum. You're propagating the pandemic. Both Fauci and Zuckerberg agreed that the country needs to regroup to form an effective response to the latest pandemic. The United States, as of July 16th, has confirmed 35,73,987 COVID-19 cases and 1,39,027 people have succumbed to the infection.